ZTE Axon 7, and let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass screen lock, pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose here power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Then you need to wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume up. Release all keys as soon as ZTE logo pops up on the screen, and let's wait a couple of seconds. That's it, this is the Android recovery. So here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down here to choose wipe data factory reset and press power key to confirm it. Then scroll down again to choose yes. And as you can see here, you've got information that after hard reset you will have to log into your Google account, so you have to be aware of this. Tab yes. And the device is whipping all personal data, customized settings and other stuff. And as soon as Android recovery system pops up again on the screen, let's press power key to reboot system now. Now you need to wait until the welcome panel pops up, so let's just be patient, do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, and as you may notice there is no pattern or screen lock protection, so you can start easily activate your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.